Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. Welcome to another video today. And today, I'm sorry that I'm breathing heavily. I ran out here with my camera because I noticed the wind's starting to pick up. So that's why I'm breathing heavily, because I rushed out here. Anyways, today we're getting some strong wind gusts. We're getting some strong wind gusts from a storm that's over there and possibly coming our way. I don't know if it's severe yet, but we'll see. Like I said, guys, I am very sorry that I'm breathing very heavily. It's because I rushed out here. But yeah, these wind gusts right now are probably like maybe 20 miles per hour. That's what I would say. Oh my gosh, look at that tree. Yeah, we're supposed to have gusts, possibly gusting to 40 with this storm. And the outer bands of it too. So we'll see what actually happens here. Oh my gosh, the live oaks are literally swishing right now, you guys. Guys, listen, the live oaks are literally swishing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're getting some insanely strong wind gusts from this storm. And there's a rainbow right there too. Hello, rainbow. Yeah, sorry for the over-exaggeration, but that's just how I am, okay? And those Bradford pears are blowing pretty good. I can hear my cypress swishing. Oh my gosh. I can hear those Bradford pears swishing. Oh my gosh. Wow. The winds are only going to get stronger from here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, that was a big gust on my cypress. Let's see if we can hear it swish, because these winds are very strong. Okay, let's listen. I mean, you can kind of hear it. You can barely hear it though. Oh, there it was. Oh my gosh. These wind gusts are probably like 30 miles per hour. Okay, I'm gonna go back out to the road. Or to the sidewalk. But yeah, we did hear it, but barely. I can like barely hear it though. I really hope my bald cypress stays intact. This is nuts. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. Oh my gosh. Holy gosh. Okay, I might need to go to the porch. Okay, I can't talk right now, okay? Every time there's a storm, someone calls me. One of my friends do. The reason I'm having to go to the porch is because of the rain. Oh my gosh. Holy gosh. Oh my gosh, look at my cypress. Oh my goodness. It is freaking windy out here, dude. Yeah, these wind gusts have to be at least 35 miles per hour. The rain's not even like coming down, it's like misting outside. So yeah, I rushed. So here's the story. I was charging my phone, right? And then I noticed the wind starting to pick up very heavily. But then as I looked, I saw the huge storm coming in. So I was like, it's time to film. Oh, there goes the wind again. Yeah, it's a very windy outside. Oh my gosh. Okay, the winds are kind of starting to slow down, but the gusts are still here. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna start recording with the other hand now. It's freaking windy out here, dude. Look at those live oaks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These winds are insane. I can literally hear my cypress. Listen. Oh, strong winds are back now. They are back and they are angry. Oh my gosh. Now that was like a 35 mile per hour gust. That has to be. Excuse me. All right, I'm gonna go back out to the road now. Let's see what it's like there. Yeah, the sun's going down. It is misting a little bit, but it's starting to stop a little bit. But yeah, it is very windy. I can hear that Bradford pear in the back. I can literally hear those live oaks swishing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now these winds are like 40 miles per hour. Maybe 50, I don't know. Whoa, what the heck was that? Okay, the rain's starting to pick back up. The rain's starting to pick back up. Oh my gosh. This might be the strongest part of the storm. Okay, I gotta go to the porch. Oh my gosh, look at this rain. Oh my gosh, we're having 45 mile per hour winds and a lot of rain right now. Oh my gosh. Now these winds have to be like 50 miles per hour for sure. They have to be. These are very strong gusts. Hold on, Cypress, please. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there goes a leaf. Look at the leaves blowing across the road. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is insane. There's thunder. Wow. Still raining. Still raining, you guys. Oh my gosh. There goes the wind again. Holy gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Winds are picking back up. There's leaves falling out of every tree. Oh my gosh. Oh, the rain's picking up. Rain's picking up. Oh my gosh, it's raining buckets. Oh my gosh. Dude, it is raining a lot right now. Oh my gosh, we haven't had rain in a while. Look at the wind. The wind's picking up. Oh my gosh, my cypress is going to be so happy because it loves water. You know bald cypresses love water. Oh, there goes the wind. Okay, guys, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to go to the backyard, actually. And if I can, if I can't, I'll let y'all know. Okay, guys, unfortunately, I can't go to the back, but here's our view from the window. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You can hear the rain hitting the window. Guys, I'm gonna stick my camera out there. Tell me what it's like. Okay. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna go to the front yard again. Alright, I can't go in the front. I mean the back. I can't go in the back. I'm very sorry. If you guys don't see me going in the backyard, it's because of the rain. The rain's blowing at us. But the front yard's better because we have a lot of trees. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this is going to be over soon. Because I have to shower in 20 minutes. Oh my gosh. Look at my cypress. It's blowing. And it's getting rained on. I'm going to try to go underneath it. Man, look at it. This thing is blowing around. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to the porch. Okay, we're back at the porch. Yeah, it's raining very hard. Looks like that rain's kind of picking up. That rain is picking up. I did not expect this today. I thought it would just be a normal Tuesday. Taco Tuesday, but I guess not. Just, oh man. I wasn't expecting any storms for a while. But now we're getting a storm. With wind and rain. No CGs yet, but... Oh yeah, that wind just picked up. That wind is picking up. Hopefully we don't have any trees fall over on us. But it is raining buckets outside. We're probably getting like the parts of the storm, but it's also kind of moving away from us. But the wind's trying to blow it this direction. Oh, that rain actually picked up. Oh my gosh, that rain picked up. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, those winds we had earlier had to be like 40 miles per hour. And also the sun's out too. That's crazy. Let's see what percent. 44. Yeah, look at the wind right there. There goes the wind. There goes the wind. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Excuse me again. Man, look at my open holly. Completely wet. Oh, the rain's starting to die off. Starting to stop. But it's also picking up at the same time. Dude, it is raining buckets out here. The cypress is starting to weigh down a little bit. Or should I say it's starting to sag. Look at how much that branch is sagged right there. That's the one that was touching the car in the July 12th storm. It was weighed down, like weighed down. Wow. It's still kind of windy. Yeah, I think the worst part has passed. Wow. I'm gonna try to go under the cypress real quick. Okay, we're here under the cypress now. Whoa, someone slid in their car. Oh no, my phone. I don't know if y'all just heard that fall on the phone. That little raindrop. Yeah, my cypress survived. That's good. It's just raindrops falling from it. Just falling from the branches. The wind's picking up. Wow, dude. It's crazy out here, dog. Okay, the wind and the rain's starting to die. The wind and rain is starting to die off. There's no wind now, it's just rain. That was like the quickest storm ever. So I don't see any damage, just a lot of leaves everywhere. Well, there's actually a limb right there. It's just sitting in that little dirt area. Stop honking. Jeez. Maybe we got hit with that. You guys see that cloud? That's probably what we got hit with. I have no idea. Well, here's my oak tree. As you can see, it's fairly intact. No branches have fallen off. But my oak tree looks ugly because it lost limbs on it. We cut those limbs off and this is how it looks. Looks crazy. I can't go out to the street right now because the rain is still raining. Look at my bald cypress. Completely weighed down. Well, the wind's actually getting the water off it, so it's not weighing down as much. Alright guys, I'm going to try to go to the backyard, see if the rain stopped there, and I will give you all an update. Alright, so I finally managed to come to the back. It's not too bad. A little bit of wind, sprinkling. All it is now is just sprinkling and a little bit of wind. I can hear thunder. That Chinese elm is moving, that big one. I can hear thunder roars still. Alright guys, I'd say I think it's time to look for damage in the backyard, so. My tree stump, the spot where I put trees in, is completely wet. The fire pit is soaked like crap. Yeah, it's soaked. I can hear those gutters over there. The wind's blowing, but not bad. Let's see if we can take a look at my cypress from here. See if it has any. Oh yeah, look at all the leaves. All the leaves came down. For some reason, it's not even close. It's already August and this mulberry's already losing its leaves. Like, bruh, it's not even winter. My bald cypress is doing okay. That's good. Man, that new top of the tree has really grown in the past few months. It came back in May and it's August and it has grown a lot. It has grown about like this tall in 3 months. That's crazy. Those cypress are just fast growers. Here's another view of my cypress. This is the second view. You can see it blowing in the wind. That massive sweet gum has no damage. Now all there is just wind and gutters flowing. Yeah, my cypress is very susceptible to wind. But yeah, I'm also very excited for this winter time. If you haven't seen that short, I would suggest going to check it out. Yeah, there goes my cypress. Oh, that's what we got hit with right here. You see this? That's a storm cloud right there. Patrick the weatherman, if you're watching this, can you tell me what type of clouds these are? I have no idea what these clouds are. I'm not a cloud fan. I'm not a cloud dude. I'm not good at clouds. The only thing I'm good at is recording storms, which I love to do. There's this little pistachio growing right there, but I have to remove it soon. Yeah, there's the storm we got hit with those 45-mile-per-hour winds. And yeah, there's the storm. Thank gosh my cypress survived. Because I love that tree. I don't want it to die. I'm going to go to the back door one more time and then I'll end it off. So I'm going to have to shower soon. Yeah, that Chinese elm is blowing too. Wow, everything is completely stopped. This all happened in a matter of 30 minutes. Crazy. So before you go, but wait, don't click off the video yet. I have an announcement. If you guys wonder why I start storm videos, sometimes I start them late. Not all the time, sometimes. It's either because I just woke up, or I just noticed it, or I didn't have time to pick up my camera. So, that's why. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. This was a pretty crazy storm. I will be sure to post more videos in the future. Sorry I have not posted a full video in a while. It's because not a lot's been happening, because July and August are pretty hot, dry months. So, and non-wind months. So, I appreciate y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out and have a great day. See y'all later.